In this next topic, we've got a new article that Teslas are more expensive in crash repairs by $1,000. So let's take a look at this. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Jalopnik. I think I said that right. Tesla crash repairs cost $1,000 more than other electric vehicles. So I'm interested. How much are Tesla repairs? How much do they cost more than gas counterparts? Quote, every electric car is more expensive than its gas powered counterpart to repair, but the price of fixing a Tesla really takes the biscuit. So take a look at here. We've got some more data or more report. This is a report from Automotive News that according to the report, the repair bill on an electric vehicle on average will be $269 more than gasoline cars, despite EV cars costing $10,000 more than their counterparts. Automotive News reports that the repair bill can be greater, a whole $1,350 more than simple repairs made to a gas car. Really scary to see though, but the good thing is that electric vehicles and of course Teslas have less maintenance, at least early on, less brakes, less tire, maybe not less tire changes, but less brakes and no oil changes and things like that. But if you get into an accident, that is where it could really start to add up, because I really feel like it's just a little bit too new, and body shops and repair shops, that it's with the battery at the bottom of the vehicle, if it gets damaged, then I tend to feel or hear that Teslas and other electric vehicles get totaled out really easily and really quickly, which then adds to higher insurance costs. And so that's why if you're looking to buy a Tesla or any electric vehicle, I do try and warn people, or at least give people the expectation that your insurance could be 10 to 30% more than what you currently pay. We put a poll out there, and the average cost of insurance that people pay is $150 a month. But let me know what your thoughts on it. Let me know what you're thinking. We're going to jump into the live stream comments after this water break. But if you're just joining in, welcome. We've got a massive leak of the Tesla Model 3 performance, or maybe ludicrous, but these are all coming from a leaked Tesla parts catalog from Chinese social media of the Highland, the new Model 3 Highland performance. We've got new rims. This one looks crazy with all these different, I guess, rivets, what's what they call it. We've got a dry or match carbon fiber spoiler. It looks like an installation guide on how you can install it, whether it's a replacement or brand new. Another different type of rim with less rivets. We've got a catalog of different types of rims as well. This one looks like the base Model 3 rim, and then on top of that, we've got a spotting of a, I guess we'll call this a ludicrous badge, or a Tesla plaid badge. Maybe not plaid, but ludicrous mode badge coming for the Tesla Model 3 as well. But really cool to see, really exciting to see, and I can't wait to get these on the road and drive one in the US market. But most likely it's going to be next year, maybe even quarter 2 of next year. That's my thoughts. But thanks for jumping in, everybody. Thanks for supporting. Definitely check out the referral links down below in the description if you want to support the channel and get $250 off your Tesla plus 3 months of full self-driving. And I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.